Which among the following structures are made up of the microtubules? Microtubules are a major component of the cytoskeleton in eukaryotic cells, which play an important role in various cellular functions. They are involved in maintaining cell shape, cell division, and intracellular transport. Now, in the options, we have different structures: the spindle fibers, centrioles, cilia, flagella, peroxisomes, chromatin, centrosome, and nucleosome. Among the options, we have spindle fibers, centrioles, cilia, flagella, as well as centrosome, which do have the microtubules on them. And they perform various functions as well. So that means here the correct answer will be option B, that is spindle fibers, centrioles, and cilia do have microtubules on them. Whereas coming to option A, cilia, flagella, peroxisomes, where peroxisomes lack the microtubules. So option A is incorrect. C, centrioles, spindle fibers, and chromatin. Here, chromatin do not have a microtubule, so that means option C is also incorrect. Option D, centrosome, nucleosome, and centrioles. This is also incorrect because the nucleosome do not have the microtubules. So the answer is option B.